What's up guys, it's Stephen here from Monster Unboxer, back with another video. And today we have something that I've never reviewed before. We have a DJ light system. It's pretty cool. This particular one was $180. It's not the most expensive, but it's definitely not the cheapest. You can get some really cheap ones on like eBay and stuff like that. But this is a professional DJ light. So we're going to open up the box and have a look inside. So inside the box, initially, we've got a BeamZ program. I think it's got like a list of all the other lights that they produce, which is pretty cool. We'll definitely have a look at that later. We don't need it now. We've got some instruction manual, which you don't need. It's a light, we can work it out. This, we've got to connect it to the stand, some foam, and then we've got the actual light itself. Okay. And then we've got some clamps, I guess, to clamp it on, and the power cable. Some more foam, and the box, which we don't need. So I've taken the light out of the box, I've put it all together, and it's pretty cool. It's really light, a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. It's got a lot of lights at the front. I think that says there's 64 LED lights or something in there, which is heaps. And then at the back you've got all the different connection points. You got power, and then you've got the DMX in, you got the microphone, you got a safety hook, which is really good in case something falls or something, it's all connected. And then you've got all your different options. So it does come with built-in programs, which is really cool. You can just plug it in and just let it work, which is awesome. So we'll plug it in and have a look if the lights work. And it works. The lights work. Let's turn off the lights, shine it on the wall, and see if it looks cool. Okay, so we've plugged it in, we've faced it against the wall, and we've turned off all the lights in the studio. And as you can see, it's got some pretty awesome pre-made programs. You don't have to fiddle with too many buttons. You can just plug it in and let it work. Obviously this isn't the ideal place for it to be shining. You want it up high, shining onto the walls, and ideally maybe a smoke machine or something to go with it. But even like this, I think it looks pretty awesome. I may even just use it in the backdrop of my videos. It may be a bit distracting, but who cares? It looks cool. So, as you can see, the lights are on. I've got 3 huge LED lights facing on me, and this is still brighter because you can clearly see it in the background and on my chest. I highly recommend this light, especially for the price of only 180 bucks. It's really good quality, the materials are great, and it's really bright. And if you pair it with a steam or a smoke machine, I think it would be awesome in a club. Or even just like at home parties or whatever you want to use it for. Either way, highly recommend. Thanks so much for watching guys. If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button down below. Also hit that subscribe button so you can see all my future videos. And just let me know, if you got a light like this, how would you use it? Thanks guys, catch you in the next one.